In this video, we are going to zoom into New Zealand's North Island. The volcanoes indicated by these red triangles are caused by the sinking of the Pacific Plate under the Australian Plate at a rate of approximately 4 centimeters per year. The grooved region to the southeast of the island is the Trench, where the two tectonic plates meet at the ocean floor. In this video, we explore how temperature varies beneath the island using a temperature model created for this purple region. Studying the temperature structure of this region is important because many potentially hazardous processes, such as volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, are linked to certain temperature conditions. This is a temperature model for the Hikurangi subduction zone. The blue represents cooler temperatures while the red represents hotter temperatures. The dipping cold part is the sinking Pacific Plate, and the flat cold part at the top is the overlying Australian Plate. The region between the two is called the Mantle wedge, where magmas can form. When we create a model, we first build a Lego-like mesh like this one to represent the shapes of different materials, and then we compute internal temperature using this mesh. Here are two cross-sections through the model, showing the calculated internal temperature. The mantle is solid, like regular rocks at the surface, but it can move up to a few centimeters per year, like tectonic plates that move at the surface. And this motion, indicated by these white arrows, allow hot mantle to move into the mantle wedge, maintaining temperatures as high as 1400 degrees Celsius. Just as a reference, the oven temperature to heat up a frozen pizza is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 200 degrees Celsius. So, 1400 degrees Celsius is very hot. When water is introduced to the hot mantle wedge from the sinking plate, it lowers the melting temperature of the rock, inducing magma formation. This process is similar to melting ice by adding salt to it. The magma formed here supplies some of the most explosive types of eruptions. Intriguing enough, these eruptions only occur on the northern part of the North Island. Here is the estimated temperature along the surface of the sinking Pacific Plate. The surface heats up as the plate sinks into the hot mantle. Large earthquakes that threaten the North Island are generated by sudden slip along the shallow part of the surface, where the temperature is lower than about 350 degrees Celsius. These earthquakes are dangerous as they can induce tsunamis by displacing large volumes of water and can easily topple buildings. The largest earthquake of this type recorded in New Zealand was a magnitude 8.2 that occurred beneath the southernmost part of the North Island in 1855. This shifted about 5,000 square kilometers of land vertically, equivalent in area to more than 90,000 football fields. More recently, in 2016, a magnitude 7.1 earthquake occurred off the east coast of the island.